Hello friends, Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning, myself Rajendra Patel. Today we are going to study about chapter number 12, Ratio and Proportion, exercise 12.2, sum number 1 and 2. Friends, look in the board. Determine the following are in proportion. We have given 5 number 15, 45, 40 and 120. All number are in proportion or not. Now we are going to study first sum number 8. It is in proportion or not. Friends, how we can decide this is in proportion or not? Friends, first we have to divide first to number A, 15 upon 45 and do the reduced form, means shortest form. The prime factor of 15, 5 3 are 15 and 3 3 are 9, 5 are 15. 5 cut, 3 cut. Answer is 1 upon 3rd. Now, second digit is 40 and 120. So, prime factor of first 0 cut. Now, 2 2 are 4 and 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12. The prime factor of 12 is 2 2 are 4, 2 are 3, 2 cut. Nothing carrying 1, it means 1 upon 3. So this is 1 upon 3 and this is also 1 upon 3. So reduced form of 15 upon 45 and 14 upon 120 are same. So these numbers are in proportion. Like this second one, B, 33 upon 120. The prime factor of 33 is 11 3 are 33 and 11 into 11. 11 are 120. Now 11 is cut, is equal to 3 upon 11, 9 upon 96. Then 3 3 are 9. The prime factor of 96 is 2. Where if we divide 96, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16, 2 half 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1 are. Now the prime factor of 92, 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32 and 32 3 are 96. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 times and 3 cut. Answer is 3 upon 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32. So it is not in proportion because the reduced form of both are not same. So we can say that is not in proportion, right? Are not in proportion because both are not same. 3 upon 32 and 3 upon 11 are not same. So we can say that this is not in proportion. Now 24 and 28, see 24 upon 28, shortest form, otherwise reduced form of 20, prime factor of 24 is equal to, yes, already we have the prime factor of 24, 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, to the 8 is 24, right? Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, now 28. प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 28 इज इक्वल टू 2, 14 टू जा 28, 2 7 7 1, तो 2 2 जा 4 7 जा 28, 2 2 2 2 कट, 2 3 जा 6 upon 7. Now reduced form of 36 and 48. The sum of prime factor of 36 is equal to 18 2 ja 36, 2 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Now 24. 24 2 जा 48, तो यहाँ वही फैक्टर, तो 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, and 16 3 जा 48, 2 2 cut, 2 cut, 3 cut. Now 3 upon 4, so both are not same, so it is not in proportion. So friends, how we can find it is in proportion or not? So we have to do the prime same number, and then we can divide it with, and we can decide that this is not in proportion. Like this, 32 and 48 D, 32 and 48. Now the prime factor of 32, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 38, 48, this is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 3 ja 48, 2 2 cut, so 2 upon 3. Now 17 upon 110, first 0 0 cut, 7 1 ja 7, and 7 3 ja 21, 7 7 cut, 1 upon 3. So it is not in proportion. Now E, we have given 4 upon 6, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, answer 2 upon 3, 8 upon 12, 8 upon 12, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, both are cut to 2, answer is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 and 2 upon both are same, so it is in proportion. Now F, 33 upon 44, 11 3 ja 33 and 11 4 ja 44, reduce from 3 upon 4, like this. 75 upon 100, direct 5 5 ja 25, 3 ja 75, 5 5 ja 25, 4 ja 100, cut, so 3 upon 4, both reduced form are same, so it is in proportion. So friends, if you want to decide given number are in proportion or not, so we have to do the prime factor and cutting same numbers, and after then find reduced form. If the both reduced form are same, then it is in proportion, but both reduced form are not same, then it is not in proportion. Friends, now sum number 2, write true or false against each of the following. Friends, we have given 16 is to 24, double is to 20 is to 30, it is in proportion or not. ये बताता है कि इन दोनों का रिड्यूस फॉर्म और रिड्यूस फॉर्म सेम आता है तो ट्रू है, नहीं तो रॉन्ग है. नाउ आंसर ए, फर्स्ट 16 upon 24, तो 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 3 जा 24, 2 कट 3, 2 2 कट, तो आंसर इज 2 upon 3. दूसरा 23 upon 20 upon 30. Already 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is equal to 2 is through 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. So this statement is true. Like this B, 21 upon 6. I check the amount first. Sum number 2. Yes, 21 upon 6. So 21 upon 6, reduced form of 21. 3 7 ja 21 and 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 cut, 7 upon 2. Now 35 upon 10, 35 upon 10. So 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 7 upon 2. Both reduced form are same, so it is also true. Now C, 12 upon 18, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 3 ja 12 and 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18. 2 2 cut, 3 cut, reduced form 2 upon 3. Now reduced form of 28 and 12. 28 and 12. So 2 2 ja 4, 7 ja 28. If you do not do direct, then you have to do first prime factor, then write 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. 2 2 cut, 7 upon 3. Both are not same. So our C are not proportion, means it is wrong. Now D, 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9. The prime factor of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, and here 3 is to 3, 3 3 ja 9, nothing cutting any, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, वही सही रहेगा, 8 upon 9. Now 24 upon 27, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24 and 2 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, 3 3 cut, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8 upon 9. Both reduced form are same, so it is true. Now E, 5.2. 5.2 upon 3.9. Friends, here after decimal point 1 digit, here also 1 digit, so both are cut. Then 52 upon 39. So 2 2 ja 4, 13 4 ja 52 and 13 3 ja 39. 13 cut, 2 2 ja 4 upon 3. Now here 3 upon 4. So it is not same. It is not same. This is 2. 2 2 ja, look here. Both are not same. It is false. Now last F. I have no place but false. .9 upon 0.36. F 0.9 upon 0.36. Friends, look here. After point 1 digit, here 2 digit. So put 9. Remove. If you want to remove decimal point, then put 10. 36 after 2, then put here 100. 0 0 cut. Now 3 3 ja 9 and 2 5 ja 10. 36. Now 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Now 3 cut, 2 also cut, so 5 upon 2. Now last 10 upon 4. 5 2 ja 10 and 2 2 ja 4, cut, so 5 is to 2. Both are same, so it is true. So friends, today we learn about if the given numbers are in proportion or not, or if we given sum in proportion or not, about true and false. Friends, we study today sum number 1 and 2. Next sum I will put on YouTube, and then we will start exercise 12.3 in my next period. Jai Swaminarayan.